By day 7, the embryos are visible through a process called candling. From the very first sip of water to the finely textured starter feed, we give our chicks the best possible start in life. In the warmth of the brooder, these tiny chicks begin their journey. The first week is vital. Early health monitoring is essential for responsible quail farming. By ensuring strong indicators like clear
By week 2, the quail require a denser nutrient profile. This grower feed is slightly coarser.
As the birds mature, we expand the brooders, giving them the room they need to thrive and exhibit natural behaviors like dust bathing.
The transition from brooder to the spacious grow-out housing is handled with the utmost care, ensuring minimal stress for the juvenile birds.
This segment focuses on the critical grow-out stage. The quails show confident movement and healthy feather development. The grow-out stage is complete. These bobwhite quails have reached full maturity, displaying the strength and stability required for high production.
To tell them apart, look closely at the chest. The male has this uniform reddish coloring, whereas the female clearly shows these distinct spots. The key difference is the chest feathers. The male has this solid reddish-brown color, whereas
the adult quails are gently evaluated before being placed in the breeder cages. This careful selection process is
The eggs return to the processing hall, completing the life cycle loop. Here, they are sorted and prepared for market.
Once the eggs are safely in the incubator, the cycle begins anew, ensuring the next generation of quail.
Through careful candling, we identify the strongest embryos. This repeatable production system ensures